Ever walked into a spotless home and felt an immediate sense of calm? It's not just you. A clean home is more than just aesthetics. It's a beacon of positivity that radiates throughout the community. Picture this. When you clean your space, you're not only enhancing your own environment, but you're also contributing to your neighborhood's vibe. A tidy home encourages neighbors to keep their areas clean, creating a ripple effect of pride and responsibility. Plus, for realtors, a pristine listing can be the difference between a swift sale and a lingering property on the market. It's all about first impressions. That's where TidyTex Home Cleaning steps in, a proud veteran-owned service in San Antonio. Our reliable cleaning solutions help realtors prepare homes for showings, leading to quicker sales and happier clients. And here's a tidy tip for realtors. Brighten your listings. Open blinds and turn on lights before showings. A well-lit space makes homes feel welcoming, showcasing their best features and attracting buyers. Check the video description for more details and contact us today to see how we can help your home shine.